All right, here we go, number 19 coming at you. Let's go ahead and read the question out loud. We have a reaction here we wrote on the board, and we want to know the concentration of water present at equilibrium. So they gave us 10 grams of hydrogen to start with in 16 liters. So let's go ahead and make our ice table right here. And this one's going to be kind of different, so I want you to be aware of what's really happening here. We're not starting with anything on this side. We don't even use solids, okay? We don't have any waters to begin with, okay? We don't have any solids to start with, okay? Now, they gave us 10 grams per 16 liters for our hydrogen. So we're really talking about 0.3125 molar of hydrogen initially. Then our change, we're not going to talk about solids. We're not going to talk about solids. If we're only using 10 grams of hydrogen on this side, then we must take away from this side. We must take away 4x, because there's a 4 here. So we must respect that 4. Usually it's going to be x, we have 4 of them. So let's take away 4x. If we're going to take away 4x, we must add 4x to this side. So our change is going to be minus 4x and be plus 4x. Let's go ahead and make our equilibrium line. So plus 4x, our equilibrium line will be 0.3125 minus 4x. So let's go ahead and set up our Kc equation. Kc equals products over reactants. I don't care if I start over here, I don't care if I start over here. This side's going to be over this side. So let's put H2 to the 4 over H2O to the 4. So let's go ahead and plug these values in. We're going to have 0.3125 to the 4th, 0.3125 minus 4x to the 4th power over 4x to the 4th power. Then we went ahead and we know our Kc is going to be 4.6 because they gave that to us. So we're going to go ahead and set our equation equal to 4.6 equals this. So if we're going to say that, and we have the 4th power, we can technically take the 4th root of everything. To do that, you can do the square root and then the square root again. That's how you do it in a calculator. So let's just go ahead and express that. If we went ahead and did that, we'd get rid of these 4's. But we take the square root and the square root of these guys. So let's go ahead and talk about that. If we're going to say that, this value here, that's going to change to 1.465 equals 0.3125 minus 4x over 4x. So let's go ahead and solve for x. When we do that, when all said and done, our x will equal 0.03169. If we know our value of x and we know our equilibrium here was plus 4x, then we know our water must be 4 times our x, 0.03169. So let's go ahead and do that. 4 times that, it's going to be 1.127 molar H2O at equilibrium. That's going to be our answer for number 19.